Hello everyone, allow me here to introduce myself. My name is Nur Alia Zahra and you can call me Alia. I work as a public relations officer in one of the private companies IKEA. Now, allow me to introduce our company, IKEA. Let's go! IKEA is a multinational company that design and sell ready-to-assemble furniture such as bed, tables, cabinets, home appliances, and accessories. IKEA is the world's largest furniture retailer. We are an introductory value company with love for home life. Every product we create is our idea to make home a better place. Creating a better everyday life for people, this is IKEA's vision. We work hard to achieve quality and affordable price for our customer by maximizing our entire value chain. By building long-term supplier relationship, investing in automated production, and producing large quantities. Our vision also goes beyond home furnishing. We want to create a better everyday life for everyone affected by our business. To reach many people, our product must be of good quality and affordable. We design with our customer needs in mind. We are working toward having an overall positive impact on both people and the planet while we continue to grow. So, if you want to get quality furniture, don't forget to visit IKEA. See you!